One great thing that you always do when you are doing the business is you think the business will rush. You think the business will move fast. In which it cannot move fast. You have to be patient in the business. When you want to do the business, you see that, you write. It's not as if the day you think about the business, that's the day you start the business. Even if you have the capital at hand, there are still some things that you do. There are still some thinking that you move. There are still some people that you meet with. It is not the day that you even buy all the raw material that you need for the business. But one thing that we don't understand is we want to think about things today and we want it to happen tomorrow, and it cannot work that way. Even when you ask for God, that God, I want to become a millionaire, God doesn't change your status that day that you are now a millionaire. God will make you to move with some people. That is, the very first step that you take is you are changing from the people that you are meeting to another set of people. The things that you do, you are changing it. You are moving with some other set of people. Everything that you are doing before, you are changing it. So it takes time for you to even change it before you reach that goal. So now, if that can be happening, when you even call God that God, I want to become a millionaire, now you now want everything to work fast for you because I am the one that set up this business now. I must be making money within this 90 days. I used to see people when they come for consulting. I will sit like this. I will say, okay, can you please submit your business plan? Let me see it. The moment I see their business plan, after their capital and everything, I will be like, you see this thing, let me tell you the bitter truth. I always tell you the truth. The truth in it is, from this 0 to 90 days, you cannot make this money. These are the mistakes that you will do. These are the money that you'll be spending within these first 3 years. This is the money that will come. If you do this, this is how the business will move forward. This is how this will move. But most of you don't know. You're like, within the very first 90 days, we must have been seeing money now. Yes, I invested heavily on this, and I've been channeling my energy on advertisement and marketing. So this, we must be saying this. You cannot be saying it. Do you even think our government itself is crazy for them to exempt startup company for the very first 3 years that they must not be paying tax? Government that say startup company, the company that just started now, that they must not pay tax for 2-3 years. Do you think they are crazy? They are not crazy. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. So because they know business within the very first 3 years will just be staggering. It will reach this stage, it will relent, it will do this, it will do that. That is why government self thinks, okay, let us exempt them from tax. I want you to encourage patience. It is that patience that you don't have that makes you to be losing 1,000 naira for sports betting every week. That you'll be like, Timothy Baker, will you shop? It is 20 million naira ish. Now your 1K then go collect, no be that 20 million you go collect. I am telling you the truth. You must encourage patience. You must have patience in you, and then everything will now work for you. I am Akintomowa, a writer, critic, and the voice, and this is Akintomowa Talk.